Today we're going to learn about the author. Yesterday you read this book called The Life of a Sea Turtle, and the author was Gina Klein and Tracy Dibble. The authors in this story have a purpose. That means they wrote this book for a reason. Today we're going to learn about how to figure out why did the authors choose to write this text for us. I'm going to skip ahead to this part of the book. I'm going to read a few pages to you, and then we're going to talk about what is the author trying to tell us. There are lots and lots of babies. They have to make it to the water. This bird wants to eat the babies. These birds want to eat the babies too. This crab wants to eat the babies. All of these animals will eat them too. The babies go to the water. They can't stop. Now let's think about some things the author told us. The author told us that birds might try to eat the sea turtles. So I'm going to write the word birds on one part of the sea turtle shell. What are some other things the author said might try to eat the sea turtle? Do you remember? That's right, crabs. Crabs might try to eat the sea turtle. I know the author told us more things that like to eat sea turtles, but I can't remember what they are. What do good readers do when they don't remember something from a story or a text? What should I do if I don't remember? That's right, I can go back in the book and look. So I'm going to do that right now. All of these animals will eat them too. Wow, I'm glad I went back into the text to look, because now I can see some other things that want to eat sea turtles. I see a skunk, a dog, a fox, and a raccoon. Let's add them to our chart. Dog, skunk, raccoon, and do you remember the last one? You're right, it was a fox. F-O-X, fox. So now, I'm going to try to guess, why did the author write this part of the book? What are they trying to teach me or tell me? What is the author's purpose? I think the author wrote this to teach us about ways that sea turtles can be eaten. And maybe I can help them. How can we help protect sea turtles from all of these animals on land? So I'm going to write the author's purpose is to tell us about land animals that eat sea turtles. I'm just going to draw an arrow pointing to my sea turtle. I ran out of room there, so I'm going to write sea turtles over to the side. Okay, now that I'm done, you can see the author gave us all of these pieces of information to teach us so that we can know all about land animals that eat sea turtles, which are also endangered.